Hi there. Welcome to Zoe. In this video, we're going to talk about how to set up conditions for an interaction within a scene in Zoe. If you hold out your left controller and press the home button, you'll see a toolbar. Using your right controller, if you hover over the build icon and select interactions, you'll see the interactions in your scene. Right now, we have one called pour, which means we want to set up an interaction where we pick up the teapot, move it over to the teacup, and have a pouring sound. Let's select with our right controller the pour interaction. To set up a proper interaction, we need conditions and actions. Let's add a condition. If we hover over the plus sign and select it, we can add one of two conditions. One would be a collision, where two or more objects either collide or move away from each other, and something will happen. The other is touch, where we take our controller or hand and touch it to trigger an action. Let's try collisions. In order to set up a collision, two or more objects in your scene need to be identified to collide. In our case, we want the teapot as one object, and we want the teacup to be the other object. If we were to add a third object, then we would need to worry about this requires all button. But because we just have two objects, we don't have to worry about it. Also, let's talk about collision mode. Enter means that the two objects must move towards each other and collide. Exit, if we selected that, means that the two objects started out colliding, but when we pull them apart, something is triggered. And that's it. In our next video, we'll look at actions. Thanks for watching.